It's time to go over our blogs feature. With System.io, you can create blogs, which are a type of website that is updated on a regular basis. You might want to create a blog if you want to share information about your offers, your business, or a certain topic. So to create one, you would just need to click on Create and then fill out the information like giving it a name, choosing its domain. If you have your own domain connected to your System.io account, then you would find it here and use it across the pages of your blog. Then just go ahead and customize the URL path for your blog's homepage and choose a template. We have many templates to choose from, so you can preview each one and see which one adapts more to your needs. And then once you find the one you like the most, just select it and click on Save. Now that the blog has been created, let's take a look at what it looks like inside. So the structure of a blog in System.io is made up of posts, pages, and categories. You can create posts and add them to one or more categories. Now let's take a look at what would be your first stop when creating your blog, and that is the blog layout. So let's click on it. The blog layout, as you can see, is an editor, very similar to our funnels editor. This is where you'll add all the elements that will appear in all the pages of your blog. So whatever you add here will be seen across your whole website. So for example, let's say I want to add a pop-up, then here's the place where you would add that pop-up. Just like in the funnels editor, you can customize it. So let's make it appear after 8 seconds. And now every time someone visits any of my pages or posts, they will see this pop-up. So let's check if it's working. Let's go to Pages and click on our homepage by using the 3-dot menu. Let's click on View. And now for 8 seconds, we should see the pop-up, and there it is. Now let's go back to our blog's layout. So usually in the blog layout, we have a menu, and this menu contains items that redirect to pages on our blog. So if you click on the menu element, you'll see the settings on the left. And as you can see, each of the pages is set to redirect to a blog link and then the specific page. But if you wanted one of the menu items to redirect to another page, you can just click here on Add Custom URL and then type the link that you want that element to redirect to. It can be any page. For instance, you could redirect to one of your pages within your funnels, or if you want to have an offer tab, you can link to a sales page. So now that we went over the blog layout editor, we also find the post layout right here. This is basically the same as the blog layout. The difference is that whatever you decide to add or design here will be added only across your posts and not across all your blog pages. So as you can see, the menu right here on the top, we cannot customize this here because this is part of the blog layout, not the post layout. And therefore, it looks like that across the whole blog. The same thing goes for the footer. You will not be able to customize this on the post layout editor, only on the blog layout. The elements that you see here are all the usual elements that you would need for a blog post. So an image, a title, and they are all customizable. You can remove things, move things around, add more elements, and make it your own. Think of this as your blog post template. So whatever you add here will be seen by your visitors across all your blog posts. Let's take a look at how it would look like. So let's go to the Post tab and check on the first one. And as you can see here, we have this menu, which we added with the blog layout, and then these other elements, which are set with the post layout. Here's the title, the image, and then here's the actual content of the post we are visiting.